Hi, in this video I want to show you a couple applications for the Festool RSC 18 cordless reciprocating saw. First thing I'm going to do is put in the blade. To do that, I always make sure that I remove the battery. I'm going to be using a wood universal blade. Installing the blade is very simple just by using the quick attach system that we have. Simply push it in, I'm ready to go. One thing I always do after I install a blade is I'll lock out the switch so I can't activate it once I put the battery on until I'm ready to cut. Once that's done, I'll go over my settings. I have an oscillating setting right here, and I want this on max setting. I'm going to be cutting through this 4x4. I'll go ahead and put it in speed 2 because I want to cut as fast as possible. Last thing I'm going to do is make sure I put on my hearing protection, and then we can make a cut. Next application I want to show you is cutting into some drywall. I want to show off the dust extraction chute we have for the RSC. Also, I can show you that the adjustable foot on the base of the saw allows me to extend this to give me more leverage when I'm plunging into the cut. I'll be using a fine-tooth metal blade. To attach the dust extraction foot, it's very simple. There's a little clip right here, and you start that, and that pivots, and then these clips lock into place. Then I can attach my hose, install my battery, and then I'll just pair up the dust extractor and the RSC by simply pressing once until you have a blue light. Squeeze the trigger. Now both tools are paired. Last thing I want to do before my cut is turn the oscillation completely off. I want to make sure I have a nice, smooth, controlled cut as I plunge into the drywall. Next application I want to show you is cutting into some aluminum. I still have our metal blade on. I've got the speed set to 1. Right after I start, I'm going to switch it to 2. I want to make sure I start out nice and slow so I can stay on my line and then speed up the cut up to speed 2. I've got the oscillation turned off, so we're ready to cut. Those are just a few of the applications you can use with the RSC 18 cordless reciprocating saw. Thanks for watching.